Okay, let's go.
Rapunzel and Ariel,
Ayan, oh.
but she keeps Ariel, but she keeps having us help her build it, and then undoing it and rebuilding it and undoing it and rebuilding it every single time. Can I go up the stairs?
Not really. Ang ganda niya. Ito ang ganda, oh. Pang single, no? Ganun.
Says there's matches here.
Ganda.
Could be like Dad's office because it's like the same place.
Yeah.
This could be.
Where's Dada? We need to show Dada something. Iba-iba yung... This one.
I'm sure I've seen it. See, look, I don't go down that far.
Ito ang ganda, oh. Ito yung pinaka-bet na bet ko, eh. Ito, oh. I like this bit. Ito yung porch, kumbaga. No? Diyan sa Amerika. Maganda, no? Ganda to. Bet ko to. I like this bit. Yes. Same. I want to have like this. We need to do like that, Bella, oh. Like this, oh. Uy! The decking, no? Where's Dada? Babe! Ella, call Dada. Get Dada. I'm gonna show Dada this. I'll take a picture dun. Huh? Yeah. But you need a longer table, don't you? Or the table. You're gonna. Yeah. Yeah.
You're gonna do it like this?
Something like this.
I like it. You should do it like wooden. You should do it like wooden and
Ito, bet ni tatay. Sinabi ko kasi sa kanya, maganda yan, oh, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, maganda yan. Yung hanging lang. Diba? Para ma-save mo yung, yung sa baba. Diba? Okay din naman ako mag-isip. Akala niyo ba dyan? Akala niyo siya lang nag-iisip. Ako din.
Ano ba?
Okay, I'm just gonna have another one. You're giving me meatballs.
Swedish meatballs yung namin. Pagkain namin.
I've already eaten 8. No, this is my 9th.
Kung pupunta kayo ng
And my 9th meatball.
IKEA.
This is the
Swedish meatballs.
This is the bit that this is the reason I love IKEA.
Yeah.
But I also like looking around at the beds and furniture and stuff. And the spinny chairs. And just the chairs. So sweet. Thank you. Nine meatballs.
Pero hindi pa kami tapos mag-ikot-ikot, nagutom lang. Kasi nga 2 o'clock na. Hindi pa kami nagdalag.
I ate all of mine already. Plus some fries and 4 more meatballs.
So how many meatballs did you have?
9.
9.
I want one more to make it 10.
Okay. Happy na ba?
Okay.
Yeah?
I'm eating a lot today.
Good. Well done. Microwave.
Can I have a drink, please?
Kain ko lang
Wait,
ito.
actually, I'm gonna try this.
Kaya yung Coke. Own version ng ng IKEA yung Coke.
Nice.
Okay?
It's like Coke and Pepsi if you would mix them together. Tastes like if you would mix Coke and Pepsi together.
Ito yung pinaka-warehouse niya. Yung mga malalaking stuff na hindi mo makuha dun sa loob. Dito nila nilalagay. Tapos dito ka bababa. Tapos dito mo kukunin. Kukunin mo lang yung number niya. Kung ano yung number nung gusto mong item. Yan. Tapos, doon banda. Ay, tinan mo may mga dito, pagkain dito. Ayan, may mga biscuit. Ayan, oh, diba? Ito, self-checkout. Self-checkout ito. Malaki. Napakalaki niya, oh. Ito niyo ba? Okay.
What?
Self-checkout.
1, 2, 3, go!
You stepped inside with a vibe I ain't never seen. Yes, you did. Ooh, so girl, if you talk like you walk, come and talk to me. But look here, it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart if I find out you can't move. You better show me now, show me now, show me now. Cause when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down, you know what to do. Hey, what's up, DJ? Play that song with this pretty little lady. Cause if you dance as good as you look right now, I just might look at my baby.
IKEA kami mga peps. Naghahanap ng idea si tatay for office. For office.
This go higher or lower?
Oh yeah.
This one, they don't go down. I can't make it go down. I can only make it go
You can put it
I'm not
down.
making enough.
Oh.
If I sit on it, it's not really got enough.
So, so yun, naghahanap kami ng mga na office idea. Nakita siya ng parang egg chair. Pang bata yun eh. Pang batang maliit, hindi para sa kanya. Come on. IKEA, UK IKEA. Parehas din ba yung mga ng ganito rin ka? Ayan o, parang office. No, it's not an office.
They have shoes.
Lounge. Lounge. Is it?
But it's still from the same look. See that?
Yeah. Ganda oh. Nice.
Very nice. It doesn't seem very stable. It's gonna fall off.
Ganda oh.
This is like a whole room bit.
Oh yes, it is.
And then it has a bathroom.
Oh wow.
Don't look at it.
This room here.
Look at the bathroom first.
Hmm.
There.
Oh yeah. It's a whole
And
room.
then look here. And then go here.
And then another bedroom.
There's a mirror there.
Oo nga oh.
And then cabinet. Oh, it
Ella, don't. Don't. George, don't do that. Oo nga, oh. Isang bedroom na siya. Oh. And then the other one.
This is allowed.
Bedroom ng bata, maliit. Diba? Batang lalaki. Ganyan.